Hey guys, today I wanted to film my September Boxycharm unboxing. Now I do have the premium box here, so I'm just gonna do a little run through of what I received this month. I'm super excited for this box because this is a luxe month, but I didn't get the luxe because the products didn't really excite me that much when I saw it. So I'm just gonna be opening what I got in my premium box. If you're interested to see this video, just keep on watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. So first up, I have the Marc Jacobs Youthquake Hydra-Full Retexturizing Gel Cream. It just looks like this. Wow, this feels pretty soft on the skin and it leaves a pretty glow to the skin as well. So it's a very nourishing cream. Just look at the sheen that it left on my hand. Super glass-like skin. And it smells like tropical, like bananas. I don't know if that's a scent, but it smells like bananas to me. So I'm super excited to give this a go. Next, I have the Kitsch Ice Roller for your overworked sensitive skin. Just comes in this box. It just looks like a facial roller. Oh, it's pretty cold to the touch, and on the instructions says to leave it in the fridge in the box for super draining. Oh, this feels really nice on the skin. Oh my god, I'm so excited for this. It's just for a little bit of lymphatic drainage wherever you have puffiness. So I'm super excited to give this a go. So far my box is looking good. Next, I have the Milk Makeup Kush Lip Scrub. It just looks like this. Comes in this cute little lipstick packaging, and it has that fancy magnetic closure. So I'm super excited to give this a go. And it smells like mint, so it seems like it's going to be pretty nourishing for the lips. So exciting to try that as well. This is the Stila Smudge Stick Waterproof Eyeliner. I have it in the shade Lionfish. So it just looks like this. Just do a swatch for you guys there. It's a pretty brown color with gold glitters through it. So I love brown liners. It's great for when you don't want that deep smoldery look that the black eyeliner normally gives you. So pretty excited for that. Next up, I have the Emma Hardy Brilliance Look Younger Overnight Treatment Facial Oil. This comes in this packaging. And it looks like this. Really fancy bottle. Oil is there. Let's give this a smell. Oh wow, it smells like a spa in a bottle, to be honest. So I'm really excited to give this a go because I'm always looking for more lightweight oils. But this is an overnight treatment, so I do have a feeling it'll be a little bit more heavier. So last but not least is the Eloise the Queen palette. Super gorgeous packaging. It just pulls out like that. And these are the eyeshadows it comes with. Super gorgeous colors, especially for this time of year. And it comes with a big full-size mirror too, so it's gorgeous. I'm just gonna swatch a little bit of the shimmers for you guys. Shimmers look really pretty in this palette. Super excited for this. Gorgeous packaging. And that's it for my unboxing, guys. Now, if you're interested to join Boxycharm yourself, I will leave a link down in the description box. But Boxycharm is basically a subscription service where you pay $25 a month for base box and $35 for the premium box like mine every month, and you receive 5 to 7 full-size products. Whether it be for the base is 5 products and the premium would be 6 to 7 products. And as you can see, they have some really high-end makeup in here like the Marc Jacobs Youth Quake. And I mean, you just can't go wrong with that value, and it's a great way to try out makeup products you would normally go out and buy, or skincare products you can't afford. So if you guys are interested of signing up or just going on the site and reading and see if it's for you, be sure to check out the link in my description box. Again, thanks for watching, and remember to like and subscribe before you leave the video. Bye guys.